Hello children, welcome back to Computer Digital Learning Platform. Today's topic is Input and Output Devices for Grade 2. In the previous class, we learnt about how a computer works. Through this session, we are learning to identify some input and output devices of a computer. We are learning to describe the function of the CPU and we are learning to give example of input and output in a process. My dear children, be ready with your computer textbook page number 19 to 22, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Let us start with input devices. The devices which are used to enter data into a computer are called input devices. Input devices allow us to send information to the computer. Input to a computer is usually given by clicking the mouse or typing on the keyboard. Let us see some of the common input devices. First one, keyboard. When we type using a keyboard, it appears on the monitor. So, the keyboard is an input device. Second one is mouse. When I draw using a mouse, the drawing actions are the input. So, the mouse is an input device. Third one is microphone. A microphone is used to record voice and different sounds into a computer. So, the microphone is an input device. Now, let's move to output devices. Output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. These devices are used to display and give the final output. Output from the computer may be printouts from the printer, sound on the speaker or images on monitor. Let us see some of the common output devices. First one, monitor. When we paint using the computer, the painting can be seen on the monitor. So, the monitor is an output device. Second one is printer. When we paint using the computer, the painting can be printed on a paper. So, printer is an output device. Third one, speakers. We hear the songs from the speakers. So, speakers are output devices. Fourth one, headphones. Headphones are used to listen to sounds from a computer. So, headphones are output devices. Now, let's move to Central Processing Unit. The CPU is neither an input nor an output device. It takes the information given by the input devices, does the work and sends the results to the output devices. This is called processing. That is why the name Central Processing Unit. Keyboard as input, CPU as processing unit and monitor as output. Now let us understand the working of a computer with one example. Input 2, 3 and plus. The data and instructions together is the input. Here 2 and 3 is data and plus is the operator. Now processing. 2 plus 3. The computer will work on the data according to the instructions. That is, it will add the numbers 2 and 3. Next is output. 5 is the result or output of sum 2 plus 3 is 5. Let us solve the activity number 1. Complete the following graphic organizer. Here are the input devices. You need to identify the input device and write their names in the given space. For example, in the input device, first one, mouse. Here are the output devices. You need to identify the output devices and write their names in the given space. For example, in output device, the first one is monitor. Similarly, identify the input and output devices and write their names in the given space. Home play is draw activity number 1 in your notebook and complete it. Thank you.